You see this extension after a Windows update. It is your previous file, renamed to keep it safe. If you need to revert a change, this is the file you use. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the system. Here's a habit I've developed. I always keep a dedicated third-party file viewer installed. It's perfect for quickly troubleshooting basic OLD file rejection errors. Watch for more info on my top pick. The OLD file extension typically signifies a file that has been renamed as part of a backup or archival process, following the backup and rename guide. This is often done to preserve the original file while allowing a new version to be created or installed. The contents of an OLD file can vary widely depending on the original file type. The OLD extension is a convention, not a strict file format. It indicates that the file is a previous version of something. The original file extension is usually preserved before the OLD is appended, e.g. document.docx.OLD. Restoring the file involves removing the .OLD extension. This is a common practice during software updates or system migrations. There is a direct software link between OLD and File Explorer by Microsoft. The specific compression standard used by this file is not recognized by native Windows software. Windows cannot interpret incremental or differential backups, so compatible utilities are necessary. Let's see which program can read this specific version. Right-click the OLD file and hit Open With. Test File Explorer first. If it's not present, choose a different app. That often leads to the fix. If your OLD file will not open yet, do not panic. There's no need for deep technical analysis yet. If the OLD file is stuck, the issue is almost always found in one of three places. Here's a simple guide on what to check. First, recognize the file type. Understand that the OLD extension signifies an old or backup version of a file. Next, rename the extension, rename the file extension to the original file type, e.g. docx.txt, and try opening it. Finally, use associated program. If the file won't open, try opening it with the program that created the original file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.